Welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today is Sunday, November 3rd, 2013. Hey, I would like to ask you to check out hitthemarktrading.com. Go to the website, and when you're there, you can have an opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. This is a morning email look at, I look at the charts, I look at the wires, and I present a very brief write-up just to get you set for the trading. Now, I send this out to clients in the morning. I'd like to send it out to you for free. So you can go to hitthemarktrading.com. You've got to go to the contacts page, sign up for blog updates, etc. And then you'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Okay? Very good. Let's remember that everything I mentioned in this recording is for your educational purposes only. And let's go to the charts. Okay. US dollar index. Well, look at this. We've come up here, and I went ahead and reconfigured this line a little bit since we have come up here, and I can make a nice touch here and here. So just a very nice channel of action we're seeing here. Recall, I think the earlier line was drawn something like this, down like this, you know. So I just cleaned up, that's all. Now, we had speculated we would be running up here to the 80, 89, 90 area. We've done that, okay? And now we've got our momentum indicator turning down a little bit. So what I want to do is just draw a line here. Just be in awareness, that's all. Just be in awareness. Okay. And we'll see if we break out of this channel line here, that's a big deal. If we break out to the upside, then we're going to run all the way up to 81.85. That's I can say that with extreme conviction. Okay? My opinion, of course. Let's go look at the weekly chart. And the weekly chart shows that we've got, what is this, 8160 area for our 34 EMA touch, and touch of this channel line. Okay? So normally the way these things work, you break down, you come up and retest, and then price has to decide, am I going to go back down or am I going to jump back into the channel? Once we jump back into the channel, I'm telling you, we're going to run now to 84.75. Okay? Now we have a lot of stuff going on this week. We've got the ECB going to have their policy statement, and all the experts are suggesting there will be a dovish tone, which will serve to strengthen US dollar. And the other thing we've got the unemployment situation report coming up. That comes out this week, I think on November 8th. So I think of the two, the strongest effect will be this ECB meeting. So just be aware of that. Okay. All right. So there's the weekly. Weekly says, hey, 79,500, like we've been talking about. 79,500 is my support level. Let's just look at the monthly chart. We just completed a month. 79,500, been doing this for over a year and a half. Why should I stop? So very strong support as we've been talking about. Okay, I'm going to go back now to the daily. Remember, we said an entry could be made if we crossed above this this red candle here. Let's make this bigger. And sure enough, that day was on Thursday. And then Powell up again on Friday. Okay, so if you got in here on Wednesday, no problem, but I like to see this thing trade at least an hour over this level before I say yes. Okay. But regardless, the trade certainly worked for you on Thursday, Friday. So now here we are at the top of a sideways channel, 79,500. Oh, this is really 80.90. So we're going to see if the line holds. We're going to see if this 80.90 holds. If we break higher, we're going up here. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Very good. All right. Let me just get out of this. And a quick peek at the intraday chart. All right. Now I have just drawn this line, and it we've got a very nice trend going up here. I'm going to draw another line. Okay. So what we have is we've got the bottom line is our support line. I don't need this guy anymore. This is our support line. Okay. And here we have our resistance line. This portion is called an ascending wedge. So if we break down and then fall through 34 EMA, you can see where we could end up. Let me just move the charts over where you can see that. Very good. Okay. So the overnight trading is probably going to be muted. Maybe a little profit taking, but other than that, just muted. Things will start rocking and rolling when the European markets open up. And just know that we've got this kind of a range working here. So price is going to want to be near the main floor pivot, which you've got 34 EMA right there. And the objective for the day on the upside, 81. Nice round number. And here or here. Okay. Very good. I will talk to you later on Monday. Bye-bye now.